Hello everyone. This channel is all about showing how I make money selling cash secured puts as well as covered calls, mostly on the leveraged products. Let's get straight into the business and make some money. Starting with the portfolio, all the option contracts are looking pretty good except the BITX. We can see here contract prices dropped to 1 cent or 2 cents. So SOXL is in the range, both put and call are safe. TSLL is also in pretty good range. Both call option and put option is safe. The Tesla credit spread is going to expire worthless and the 500 will be released today. So everything is good except this BITX. Even though I sold a very conservative covered call on this BITX, it still went in the money. When I wrote the covered call, the stock price was 55 and I put 61 as the covered call strike price. I thought 61 is pretty safe, but the stock really went up. I can actually let this contract get assigned and the stocks are taken away from me, but it is really tempting. I still see a lot of momentum in the Bitcoin. So I'm thinking of rolling this contract instead of giving up on the stock. I can actually let it expire at 61, let the stocks taken away at 61, and I can sell cash secured puts under $61. But I don't think this is going to stop anytime sooner. I think at least for a month or so it will keep moving up. So I'm trying to protect the stock here. With that, I'm going to roll this contract and see if I get good premiums. If I don't get good premiums, I'm going to let it assign. So looking at next week's options, if I roll it to next week, right now I need to pay 258 per share. That is basically $258 dollars per contract. But if I roll it to, let's say, 63 or even 64 is not bad. I can even go 65. Rolling to $65 strike price is not giving me any good premium because I need to pay back nearly $300 for this roll. But I'm getting $400 of capital appreciation. This is something we need to think deep to make sure the numbers are making sense. If I am paying $300 for $400 of appreciation, I am only gaining $100 here. So, does this $100 make sense for this trade? If I let this contract get assigned at 61 and sell a cash secured put at 61, I might get even better premium. But here is my quick thinking. The first point is I got these shares at $44. If I lose these shares at 61, I need to pay taxes on my profit of $1,700. I will eventually enter into tax event, but should I let it trigger now or postpone it as long as it is possible? The second point is if the stock goes down after I sold it, it is definitely good to sell cash secured put for a better premium at lower strike prices. But if the stock goes up, I need to bump up my strike price that withholds more collateral and reduces my buying power. The third point is I am still seeing a lot of momentum in Bitcoin and I am believing that the stock is still on upward momentum. Even though Bitcoin is highly volatile and nothing is guaranteed, I would like to take a little chance here. With all that, I would like to keep the shares for at least a week. I am going with 80 cents limit price for this rollover. If it gets filled, I will get $80 today and $400 of capital appreciation. Of course, if the stock dips, everything I talked so far gets invalidated. It is placed. I'll see if it get executes. Wow, the stock price is still going up and the order did not fill yet. I don't think it will get filled and I don't have a lot of time. There is only 3 hours left to roll this if I have to roll. So I'm going to replace this order and go with a little bit less premium. That way I can protect the stock. Wow, it's already 310 now. Now if I go same 355, it's okay. I'm not getting any premium, but at least I can keep the stock. I will get the capital appreciation. So I will go with some guaranteed premium. Let's see, 35. Okay, 35 is guaranteed. Credit, submit. Okay, now it's rolled successfully. All right, here is the BITX contract at 65 expiring next week. Let's see what happens next week for this BITX. All of these contracts are going to expire worthless today. So Monday, I think I can play more BITX. This is definitely very juicy and very tempting. So I will probably play more BITX next week, which is basically Monday. All right, that is all for now. See you in the next video.